How to fix Telegram notification not showing. Hi everybody, welcome back. So if the Telegram notification isn't showing up, what you need is first of all open Telegram on your device. There, tap the profile at the very bottom right corner of the screen. You then want to go to settings. As you go to this section, you then need to locate notification. Here it is. Then you want to make sure that all these buttons are toggled on. You could also go ahead and manually turn it on and off as well, customize yourself, and this way you should be able to fix. After doing this, you're still unable to receive notification. Next, open up settings on your device, go to apps from the list, locate Telegram, and make sure that notification is toggled on. Once you've toggled this button, it should be able to help you out. If you're still unable to receive, you can go ahead and check your network and internet as well. Sometimes if you're not connected to a stable internet connection, that can also hamper with the notification as well. And after doing all that, you could also go ahead and update your app. So head over to your app store, type in Telegram on the search bar, and here you could just go ahead and select update. That can also help you out. After completely updating the app, hold on to your side button and restart the device, and that should definitely help you out. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.